Rule number 14, if the indefinite pronouns like everybody, somebody, anybody, nobody, everyone, someone, anyone and no one, these all are indefinite pronouns. If they are used as the subjects of a sentence, the personal pronoun they is used as the subject of the question tag. Means, first of all, let me make it clear what is an indefinite pronoun. See, when you say everybody, somebody, anybody, or any of these words, and when you are using it as a subject in a sentence, you cannot decide, you cannot definitely say whether I am talking about a male person or a female person. Okay, it could be one of them or it could be both. Everybody suggests a person, but it could be a male person or a female person. Okay, so I am not able to decide whether I am talking about she or he. So when you can't decide whether I am talking about, or the speaker is talking about, a particular male person or a female person, then you are supposed to use they in question tag. Okay, so in the presence of these words as subject, you are supposed to use they as the subject of the question tag. Let's see the examples. Someone stole my watch, didn't they? Stole is the second form of steal, so it shows this is past tense, simple past tense, and I use this helping verb did, and along with that not, the short form of did not is didn't, and for this someone I used they. So when there is anyone, everybody, nobody, somebody, someone, we use they in as the subject of the question tag. And the same rule here, you can apply whether, suppose this sentence is affirmative, so the question tag will be negative. This sentence is affirmative, question tag is negative. And when this sentence is negative because of nobody, so the question tag will be affirmative. Okay, let's see, some more indefinite pronouns are there which are used for things, not human beings but for things. For example, everything, something, anything, nothing. So when they are used as the subjects of a sentence, the personal pronoun it is used as the subject of question tags. Okay, you see, everything and everything, everything looks beautiful is an affirmative sentence, and that's why this becomes negative. Okay, question type becomes negative with the subject it. Here also you will find it because of nothing. Nothing shows this is negative sentence, and because of that it becomes affirmative. Something was there, wasn't it? It's very simple. Anything, because of anything I used it. Anything can be done, can is taken here along with not, so it becomes can't. Okay, 16th rule. 16th rule, it looks bigger than the other rules, but it's very simple. So if the phrase is all of us, see, all these are phrases in bold letters, all of us, all of you, all of them, none of us, none of you, none of them, one of us, one of you, one of them, any one of us, any one of you, any one of them, some of us, some of you, some of them, most of us, most of you, most of them, neither of us, neither of you, neither of them, either of us, either of you, either of them, and every one of us, every one of you, every one of them. These all phrases, if these all phrases are used as the subjects of a sentence, the personal pronouns we, you and they are used as the subject of question tags respectively. How will you decide whether I am going to use we or you or they? It depends on the phrase. See, all of us, us denotes we are talking about ourselves, that means the subject will be we. Okay, so because of us, all of us, because of us, we can decide that the subject of the question tag will be we. So all of us can do this sum, can't we? All of you can do this sum, Can't you? It's very simple. All of them denotes they. So here, can't they? Either of you is innocent. Either of you. Have you seen ever is after you? Means you have seen you are, you were, but it's very rarely seen that you are using is with you. It happens in such kind of sentences. Either of you is innocent, aren't you? Well, is used, okay, but I have not here used isn't. I am using aren't. Why? Because of this, either of you, I can use only you, and because of this subject I am only supposed to use are if it is present tense, and if it is past tense I will use were, but is will never be used in a question tag with you, okay, and that's why is turns into aren't, because there is you as the subject of the question tag. This difference you'll have to notice, okay. So either of you is innocent, so this will become aren't you. Most of you are honest, most of you, तो aren't you. वैसे भी are तो है ही, so there's no problem. Most of them don't know this. Don't नेगेटिव है तो डू कर दिया, और दे डू दे, ये देम की वजह से दे मालूम पड़ता है, ओके. सो ये सारी चीज़ें आप लोग एक बार रीड कर लेना, और यू डू नोट देम डाउन इन योर नोटबुक. सो क्या कभी भी आपको लिखने से जो प्रैक्टिस मिलती है वो सिर्फ पढ़ लेने से नहीं मिलती है, वो आपको सिर्फ ये ओरली प्रैक्टिस नहीं करनी है, लिख कर भी करनी है, बिकॉज इन योर एग्जामिनेशन यू आर गोइंग टू अटेम्प्ट the grammar questions. Okay, thank you.